get a query like this. We have the table in this format, and now we want to make the column headers as row headers and row headers as column headers. So how will you go ahead with that? Will you do it manually or there is some automatic way? So there is an automatic way. Copy this entire table, keep the cursor here in the first cell of the table where you want to paste it. Right click, go to paste spatial and click on transpose and say OK. So your column header will become the row header and row header will become the column header. So it's very, very easy to change the format of table like this using this transpose capability in paste spatial.